Hey everyone, welcome to Geeks for Geeks. I'm Ishan Sharma, and today's video will be talking about how you can get an internship as a college student. Let's get started. So if you're an aspiring software developer and if you've learned a particular technology that can be Android development, that can be web development, you can actually start looking out for internships. Now, first of all, let me talk about why should you be getting an internship as a college student. So this is what I think. First of all, internship will teach you how to work collaboratively as a developer in a team of people. Then you'll also learn about the corporate world. How does the corporate world actually work? You'll get a quick glimpse into that. Okay, so that would be really interesting for you. You will also learn about how products are created from scratch. Okay, so this is a win-win situation for you. You should definitely try to get some internships, get some experience as a college student. Once you have the motivation right, once you know why you should be doing it, now let's talk about how can you find internships. So first of all, before going for internships, I would really recommend you to get some project experience, create some projects on your own. You can take a look at the video that I've done talking about the projects that you should be building in 2021. Okay, take a look at that. Try to create some projects. It can be very simple projects as well, but you need to have a portfolio that you can show someone that, okay, this is the project that I've created. This is what I learned by creating that project. Once you have done that, you should also have your own portfolio website. Now, this is huge. You need to have a website people can go to and they can see exactly what you've done so far. Make sure that you keep it updated as well. Once you have done this much, make sure that you also have your own resume. Okay, it can be a very simple resume. I know you don't have much experience, you don't have much projects, but whatever you do have, make sure that you put it into it and just be honest about what you've done so far. Now, once you have done all of these things, once you have your projects, once you have your own portfolio website, once you have made your own resume, now let's talk about how can you approach these companies and where can you find these opportunities. Now, before you go out to search for these companies, understand this one fact. You deserve to get paid. If you have learned a particular technology, if you are in second, third, fourth year of college, you definitely deserve to get paid. Don't let anyone fool you and say that you are only a college student, you cannot get paid and we'll only offer you an unpaid internship. That is not an internship, it is a volunteering experience, you can call it. Definitely don't go for that. You should always go for a paid internship. And now let's talk about the first step that you should be doing, and that would be to find startups that recently got funded. You can take a look at websites like yourstory.com or even Inc42 and find these companies that recently raised a lot of funds. It's really important because most likely a startup that didn't get funded, it will pay you very less, or even it would say that they will only offer you an unpaid internship. So make sure that you understand this. You can take a look at these websites. You can find all of these startups. You can note it somewhere. You can see if their idea is something that you resonate with. If you think this is something that will be big in the future, go ahead with that. Now, the second step would be to find where these openings are. So first thing you can do is that you can take a look at AngelList. It is a platform that Naval Ravikant initially created on which you can find a lot of internship openings. Just search for that company on AngelList, see if they have some internship openings, and if they do, go ahead and apply, write a personalized message, say how you can bring value to that company. Don't be selfish and show that you genuinely care about what they are building. People don't really care about you particularly, not to be, not to be rude or something, but this is the whole truth. People want to see how you can help their own company. That is what you need to reflect into your own note. And then you can just apply for that and you can see if they respond to you or not. Make sure that you apply to a lot of internships. Okay, it's really important that you apply to, 50 internships as well, if you can. That is what you can do. And then if you do not find an internship role over there, what you can now do is that you can go to their website, you can find the people that have started that company, and then you can also search for them on LinkedIn. This is where you'll find all of the officials that are running that particular company. People who are working in that company and they're also active on LinkedIn. See if you can find their emails. If you do find an email, just email them asking for if you have some internship openings. And if they do reply back, that is amazing. If they do not, just keep bugging them every once in a while and ask if there is possibility for you to intern over there. That is what I would like to tell you. It's really important that you understand that you deserve to get paid. Understand that you should also read the terms and conditions that they have. A lot of companies actually say that you will work for them for maybe like 6 months and you will only get paid at the very end. This has happened with me, and so I would definitely suggest you to not go ahead with such agreements or something. understand that you should always be getting paid, and you should get paid on a per month basis. And yeah, that was a quick video. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye.